Welcome to Correct Science. Today we are going to explore the concept of anatomical position in this first video of the anatomy series. Let's go into this quickly. So this is a universal reference that we use for every description we make in anatomy and medicine. Now looking at this, what do you see? This is actually the standard we use in every description we make. You can see that first of all, the body stands fully upright and erect. What else? The head faces forward and eyes are looking ahead. The feet are parallel and flat on the floor. Arms are the size of the body and the palms are facing forward. Later we'll get to talk more about this. Also, the fingers are extended and the thumbs are outward. So this is the standard reference to which all anatomical descriptions are made. So every anatomical terminology is in relation to the anatomical position. So even when you are lying down, we consider as though you were in this position. Yeah, so this is it. So why is it important? As I said, the directional term that we use is in relation to this anatomical position. If there wasn't a standard, what I say to be above may be different from what you also think is above. So this really helps. Now this is a question to take home. So comment on each of the following key features of the anatomical position. You may provide your answers in the comment field. So in this playlist, we'll be considering the anatomy series. I hope to see you when we publish the next video. Bye.